This is TIFCO's Old Faithful electrode. It's a very unique, made-in-America product designed to weld all steels. How many times has this happened to you? There is a weld that you need to make, but you're not sure what metals you're joining. Is it spring or mild steel? Is it cast? What do? Do you just guess and hope that you chose the right rod? Old Faithful takes all the guesswork out of the welding the unknown steels, because it works on mild, cast, high carbon, tool, spring, manganese, alloyed, and even stainless steels. In fact, it even welds dissimilar steels together in any combination of the metals I just mentioned. In this demonstration, we are going to join two dissimilar metals. This happens to be mild and stainless steel, but Old Faithful would work with any steel. Normally, this is a very difficult weld to make. But with Old Faithful, strike the arc and let the rod do the work. Let it cool off, chip off the slag, and you will have a neat, clean weld. In addition to working with all types of steel, Old Faithful is an excellent choice for removing broken studs. Just insert Old Faithful into the hole and strike the arc on top of the broken stud. Weld your way to the top. The non-conductive flux will pack and protect the threads. Then take a washer and a nut. Place the nut on top of the washer, go back through the nut, and weld your way to the top of the nut. Once you get to the top, put a little lip on it, and then let it cool for about 45 minutes. Once it has cooled, you can take a wrench and just back out the broken stud. Again, with the non-conductive flux, the slag will pack and protect the threads, leaving you a hole that can be reused without having to chase the threads. Old Faithful also has excellent restriking capabilities, meaning that you will burn every rod all the way to the end, reducing waste. Also has moisture-resistant coating so that you allow storage without the need of a rod oven or an old refrigerator with a light bulb. Now, normally high-pressure welds are very brittle. This is not the case with Old Faithful. Even with a tensile strength of 128,000 psi and 186,000 psi work hardened, it has an elongation of 32%, making it flexible, less likely to crack or break. Old Faithful is available in 5/64 through 3/16 inch rods and is also available in MIG and TIG. There are 3 different bin options offered. Part number 88960 is an industrial assortment. Part number 88961 is a construction assortment, and part number 88962 is a fleet assortment. There's a tray assortment available also. Part number 87644 is a steel repair tray assortment.